Creating a basic website on WordPress is simple and doesn't require coding skills. Here's a concise guide. Get hosting and domain. Sign up with a web hosting provider and choose a domain name. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation. Install WordPress. Log into your hosting account, locate the WordPress installer, and follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Log into your website. Access your WordPress dashboard by adding WP admin to your domain and log in with the credentials you created during installation. Choose a theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, and select a theme. You can find free and premium themes to customize your site's look. Customize your website. Navigate to Appearance, Customize to tweak your site settings, including colors, fonts, and layout. Save changes. Add content. Create and organize your website's content. Go to Pages to add static pages and posts for blog entries. Install plugins. Enhance your site's functionality with plugins. For example, install Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Contact Form 7 for contact forms, and the Kismet for spam protection. Create navigation menus. Set up menus to help visitors navigate your site. Go to Appearance menus and create a menu structure that includes pages and categories. Publish your website. When you're satisfied with your site's content and design, click Publish to make it live. Regular updates. Keep your WordPress, themes, and plugins updated to maintain security and functionality.